Radionuclide and chemical concentrations in mineral waters at Saratoga Springs in New York. This sounds concerning. Is it dangerous? What will it do? Well, this is something to take a look at as the NIH has taken notice of the National Library of Medicine. What is this all about? So, a project to categorize the radionuclide and chemical components in natural spring waters in the vicinity of Saratoga Springs in New York, USA has been completed. As a result of measured radionuclide and chemical content, 8 springs were labeled as mineral waters, whereas 3 springs contained very low concentrations of these components. The mineral waters were highly enriched in alkaline and alkaline earth elements, as well as chloride ions. The isotopes of radium were detected in the mineral waters with the concentrations of 1, 20, and 2 BLLQ. So, overall, the Ra isotope constitute about 80% of the total radioactivity measured in water samples, and dissolved uranium concentrations in the mineral waters were very low. And that's a good sign, as we can see the different terms right here. The environmental monitoring, the hydrogen concentration, New York, the radon analysis, and the uranium analysis. The interesting thing here is we can actually take a look at the uranium analysis here in PubMed and see what's going on with the uranium. That being said, it is a good thing that the uranium concentration was low. As we can see here, the dissolved uranium concentration in mineral waters were very low, because mineral water is usually something that we consider to be healthy or healthier than average tap water. The issue is, though, that if there's things like radionuclide and chemical concentrations in waters at Saratoga Springs, or even uranium, even in small concentrations, that can pose a problem. And Saratoga Springs is something that a lot of people will utilize, and a lot of people, even who drink mineral water, may utilize. So to make sure that your minerals are safe, make sure your mineral water is safe, make sure that places like Saratoga Springs and different mineral waters do not have high concentrations of uranium or radion or anything else, it's always a good idea to periodically test your water for high levels of these contents.